fix Destiny 2 error code Buffalo. 1. Log out of your Destiny 2 account and sign in again. 2. Check the status of your own console server status by accessing the links below. 2.1. PlayStation Network status, https://status.playstation.com. 2.2 Xbox Live status, http://support.xbox.com/xbox-live-status. And see if your PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live subscription has expired. In the meantime. 3. For users in Korean IGR, intergovernmental relation, see if your internet usage time exceeds your account limit. You may have to contact your network provider for more info. Check your Windows settings then, stop using some apps. 4. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide.